Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your general energies and for your career situation and relationship, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle deck. So that is a general guidance for you all today, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your career, and this is for your relationship, and one card for the general guidance. So this is the card, the Rumi card, guys. So we will open that card at last. For your daily energies, Pisces, Page of Swords in reverse, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Five of Pentacles in reverse, guys. With these cards, the energy for you all, guys, it may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be seeing some stressful situations in your work, maybe some projects or getting delayed, or just that is not going through, suspensions or delays in your work for some of you all. And maybe in this relationship with this person, you may be seeing some trouble, some misunderstandings, some quarrels or fights over something, something really stressful that is happening here, guys, maybe for some of you all. And maybe for some of you, certain things are going in a totally unexpected way, something out of the blue, some unexpected events, maybe something bad. Maybe some of you all may suddenly fall ill. Some unexpected bad things may come towards you, guys, some unexpected events. It may be something bad, or simply something which was not what you thought of it would be. So for some of you all, it may change the way you see things. Maybe the sickness or some kind of truth that you see in that situation, it may change the way you feel today, guys. That is what I see here. Something unforeseen which will worry you. That is what I see here, guys, Pisces. So what is the reason we will see with these cards? So what is this card for your career situation, Pisces? The Sun in reverse. Though this card is in reverse, guys, this is a very positive card here, guys, the Sun. So maybe for some of you all, you may be, just like we said, you may see that clarity because that unexpected turn of events, it may bring about some kind of clarity in your situation, some understanding, and you may be able to overcome that obstacles, whatever that is. So though you may see certain stressful situations, I feel with this card you will be able to overcome that something negative in your career, guys. That is what I see here. So what is the card for your relationship? Justice. So with this card, it may mean that you have to go in for that clear, balanced view in your situation, guys. You have to find that equilibrium, that harmony in your situation, in this relationship. Maybe you have done some mistakes, or your person, they have done some mistakes. So you need to be aware of that. Think of your situation with that logical mind, and you need to go in for that. Or you are a person who has that clear perception, that unbiased view, and you are seeing the situation as such, seeing your mistake, seeing your person's mistake as it is, without that judgmental view. So you are seeing the truth in the situation, getting that clarity, guys. Pisces, that is what I see here with this card. So maybe some stressful situations have happened in your life, maybe some quarrels, some misunderstandings, or whatever it is. You are able to get that clarity today, guys. That is what I see here, that clear perception of things. And you are a person who assumes responsibility, guys. So in whatever situation you are in your career or even in your personal life, you want to be responsible and you have a particular way of handling things. You have certain ideals and you do it in a particular order. You are a person of that a strong determination and conviction. So today you may be seeing some negatives of this person, something unexpected, something you didn't wish to see, but you may be getting clarity on that situation because of your clear perception. That is what I see here. So what is the card for your guidance, guys? So this card may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but it's a guidance. So what we need to do today, something guiding us to make things better, guys, in our day. So what is the card? I surge on the uprising wave of love. Such an apt card for your situation, guys. With the previous cards we saw that some unexpected things are happening, so this card also denotes that so things are happening which you feel are out of control. Maybe sometimes it is because it is pushing you at a greater speed towards what you want, you are supposed to reach in this lifetime, guys. So destiny is playing its part. So whatever that is supposed to come towards you, it is rushing towards you, Pisces. That is what I see here. So rather than swimming or moving slowly in that tide, you are just being what to say caught up in that wave, and it's just pushing you forward and forward at a faster pace towards that goals, whatever you are supposed to reach. So you don't have to fear the changes that are happening today, something you may feel that is going out of control. So you have to just listen to your heart, what your intuition is telling you, and go with the flow today. Whatever is unfolding, this will give you greater opportunities, greater fortunate times, guys, fortunate results. And this is what is this is the result. Destiny is unfolding for you, Pisces. So you can let go of that fear today and just go with the flow, however things are taking you. So that is the reading for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.